In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Big Cartel. For many small businesses and artists, Big Cartel is the platform of choice for setting up a simple, manageable online store. But what happens when you run into a snag or need personalized support? Fear not, contacting Big Cartel for assistance is easier than you might think, and today I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you get the help you need swiftly and efficiently. Let's start by navigating to the homepage of Big Cartel. You can achieve this by simply typing www.bigcartel.com into your browser's search bar. This will take you directly to the main page designed for artists and small businesses keen on establishing a free and easy to manage online storefront. Once here, the layout is pretty straightforward and user-friendly, making your journey to find help as smooth as possible. The next move is to click on the Login button. This is essential because to get specific assistance tailored to your shop, Big Cartel's support team will need to verify that you are indeed the account holder. This step protects your privacy and ensures that any adjustments or help provided is directly aligned with your shop's needs. After clicking on Login, you'll be prompted to enter your shop's unique URL. Your shop URL is the distinct web address that leads directly to your online store. It's how customers find you amongst the sea of artists and small businesses on the platform. If you're unsure of your URL, it can typically be found in the welcome email from Big Cartel or by checking the web address you use to view your own shop. Following the entry of your shop's URL, you'll need to enter your password. This is a standard security measure to ensure that unauthorized individuals can't access your shop's backend or make changes without your permission. If by any chance you've forgotten your password, there's usually a password reset link available to help you regain access. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is the nerve center of your shop where you can manage products, view statistics, and adjust settings. But, more importantly for our purpose today, it's from here that you can access Big Cartel's support options. To reach out for help, look for the button situated on the left corner of your dashboard. This special button is your gateway to accessing Big Cartel's support resources. By clicking on it, you unveil a range of options designed to provide you with the assistance you need, whether that's looking up information on FAQs or reaching out to the support team directly. And there you have it, step by step, how to navigate your way through Big Cartel's website to get in touch with their help and support team. Remember, having clear information about your issue, including your shop URL and any relevant details, will make the process smoother and help the support team understand and address your query more effectively. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips to make your experience even better. First, take a moment to explore the help section available on Big Cartel's website. It's packed with useful information that might answer your question without needing to wait for a support response. Second, if you're asked to verify your identity, don't panic. This is a normal part of keeping your account safe and ensures that any information or changes are authorized by you. In conclusion, contacting Big Cartel for help doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these simple steps, you're equipped to reach out effectively, ensuring you can get back to focusing on what you love most about your business. Whether it's crafting the perfect piece of art or curating an exceptional collection of products, with Big Cartel support just a few clicks away, you can rest easy, knowing help is always at hand.